bright and early on a Thursday morning. The Noahnator and PW. We are headed to, we're going to Arizona, and then we're going to be going to the Flagstaff, Grand Canyon, and then we're driving to Vegas. Off to the airport. Peace. Guess where we are? Say it.
First class.
Row 2. Boom, boom. Anyway, we're about to take off, so the next thing you see will be us landing in the Valley of the Suns, Phoenix, Arizona. Not CrossFit. Peace.
I was having a panic attack.
Yeah.
We're in Phoenix.
About to be. Peace. Okay, we made it to the Valley of the Suns, Phoenix. We're walking to get our bags, and then we're gonna get the rental car and we're gonna hit the road. Start driving through the desert.
Do we see your aunt?
Right after we get in the rental car. Peace.
I know you forgot to add that in there.
Yeah, we're gonna see my aunt also. Peace. It's recording. Yo, you just stopped it. Oh. I think I'm like double tapping it or something like that. This new iOS, but we are driving in somewhere in Phoenix. We're going to Goodyear maybe. We're going to see my aunt, and yeah, so that's.
And at 11 o'clock, I'm going to try and find. I know we are advocates about fast food, but I want to find an In-N-Out burger.
She's never had it, but she wants the fries.
Have you had it?
No.
It's supposed to be not healthy, but like the food is. In 1.9 miles, turn left. The food's better. Speaking of, this has nothing to do with food. Someone on our plane was ripping
Thank you.
ass.
The whole flight.
4 hours.
It was disgusting. It smelled like something crawled up his butt and died.
The whole time he was just farting.
It was like whispering. Like,
we didn't hear it.
There were SPDs the whole time.
Ugh.
Okay.
It's gross.
We gotta get back to driving. We're almost at the turn. Peace.
Deuces. Yes.
Okay, show the cactus. Cacti.
Cactuses. I don't know if we get it very well. More cactuses. Yeah.
We'll try to get a close up.
Whoa, that one's falling over. I hope you can see it.
We're on our way to Sedona. Sedona, it's 1080p. Well, yeah, it's kind of the same scenery right now. We'll try to get some more. Yeah, they're popping up everywhere.
I'm starving.
We're gonna try to find some food.
Starving.
Peace.
Dorsals.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Oh, there's a huge mountain in your way, but. And then the asshole driver. But look. It's so different from Ohio.
Okay.
Party.
We are driving into Sedona right now. As you can tell, the mountains are returning colors. It's like a pinkish red, purple. Yeah, but I think they're just gonna get more and more colorful as we the closer we get. Oh wow, look at that! Holy crap! This right here. That's what we're working with right now. So the next thing you see will probably be more footage of Sedona. We're gonna go to this place called Waka Pika or something like that. Anyway, peace. This is amazing. Yes, so sweet. Am I in the frame?
the car still lets you go. I mean, if there's a road, you know.
I don't know if I was recording or not. We're walking
There's some all the way up.
to this it's like a, what is it? It's called the Holy Cross something. It's built on the side of a mountain in Sedona. And we're actually, it's right there. We're hiking up there right now. I'm breathing heavy as crap. This high altitude is killing me, people. We're at like 4,000 or 5,000 feet right now above sea level. So that's what you're getting. The next thing you're going to see is going to be the actual place. Peace. I turned the wide view off so it's not so crazy. This is nuts. So beautiful. What are we looking at? Oh, I thought you were looking at like a lizard or something. Still medium. Say hi. We're about to walk in to the, this is a giant cross. Yeah. We're just driving to, we're driving to Flagstaff right now. We're like driving through the mountains. It's going really slow. And there's trees now. Remember when we first started, there was those giant cactus. Now there are actually trees. So it just shows you the change of scenery. But I gotta get back on the road. Peace. Go. It's recording.
They're a cute little group. Okay, I gotta be really quiet because I'm gonna try and go get a picture of them. Oh, they're pretty. Oh my god. No, they're so cute. Oh my god, they're running from me. Oh no. I wish I could feed them. About the size of a kitten. Yeah. They're everywhere. Oh my god.
We just got to the room. This is the first room we're staying in. I'm trying to find the lights. Okay, now we'll get some good video. This is the main part of the room. Queen king size bed, flat screen TV. We've got a nice view of the outdoors, little balcony thing. This is our hotel room in Flagstaff.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my bag out of the hallway. We have yours truly, the Noahnator in the mirror. Bathroom, ooh, big bathroom. Nice sized tub, commode, shower. But yeah, that is what we are working with here. This is the room at the, what is this called? The Little America? Little America. And what you just saw before was the prairie dogs that we saw in the field. We're gonna go out and check them out a little bit more. Not CrossFit. Peace. Well, apparently this bathroom has a heat lamp in it. What are you doing?
I feel like that's food.
Get it? She's under a heat lamp. She's like a French fry. She's like an American fry. Ah! We're on our way to the Grand Canyon once we get ready. It's 6 a.m., whatever standard time it is here. So it's 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, but it's 32 degrees out. Peace. You're probably wondering why we have sweatshirts on right now.
It's
and why you can see our breath.
Outside.
It's because it's 28 degrees. It is literally 28 degrees this morning. It's so cold out. It was 98 degrees yesterday in Phoenix, and we can't find any prairie dogs right now, but we are on our way to the Grand Canyon, which will be its entire video. So the next thing you see will be us at the Grand Canyon. Peace.
Deuces, can you stop?
I don't know if you can see out there, but there's these houses. They're just chilling in a field, like, so strange.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know, we're in a valley. We're on our way to the Grand Canyon. Peace.
Whatever makes me look stupid.
Suck it in, okay.
Goes on for miles and miles and miles.
Can you do a piano? Oh, a piano?
We're here at Hoover Dam. There's Lake Mead, part of it. You see the white? That's where the water used to be, and that's how much water there isn't. It used to be up to the white level, so there is a pretty big water shortage right now in, well, wherever the heck we are. Arizona, and then on the other side is Nevada, so this is the back side of the dam. And we're about to go to the front side, and hopefully I'll be able to put the GoPro over the dam and show you how big this thing is. Here's another view of Lake Mead. Nothing spectacular. I mean, the best view is going to be the other side of the dam, probably. But it's pretty clear. The water's pretty clear from what I can see. Anyway, that's what you get. And here it is. Oh, the dam. Hoover Dam, right there. It's the real deal.
Not CrossFit. You're welcome.